Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you post on Threads. So guys, it's a very easy stuff. At first, just go to your Threads account. Now in the Threads account, click the bottom pencil box icon. Now from here, you can see start a thread, and it's a new thread. You can just start typing what you want. You can also attach pictures or videos in your thread by clicking this icon, and you will be able to attach pictures or videos from your gallery. And after you have done everything, just click the bottom right corner post. Now here you can see I successfully posted a thread. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.